Hey guys, iMAT here. Today we are reviewing the finest Android Ultra watch that you can get under $100. This is the DW100 Pro smartwatch. In this video we're going to explore all of its features, including this mysterious sensor button. But before starting, if you're new here, a subscribe would be highly appreciated. First of all, inside the box you will get the smartwatch, ocean straps, SIM ejector tool and IMEI number, and the user manual. So first of all, the smartwatch uses a plastic frame and comes in 49mm size. The good thing is that it is compatible with the Apple Watch Ultra 2 accessories, which can help in making the smartwatch durable, so it can be used in rough and tough conditions. All of the buttons are perfectly functional even with the case on, and you can even use the camera with the case on. Other than the straps included inside the box, the smartwatch is also compatible with all of the Apple Watch straps. You also get this strap lock button at the back, and the straps won't come out until you press the button and then push the straps out. Here's how the smartwatch looks on the wrist. Since it comes in 49mm size, so it is probably for the people with big wrist. Then we get an AMOLED display on top. It is using a 2.04 inches AMOLED display with a screen resolution of 368 into 448. Overall, the colors are really good. They are really saturated. The display smoothness is also really good. It is using a 60Hz refresh rate. And if you use the torchlight application, then here is a look at the bezel size. Now let's take a look at the things on the body. First of all, we get a pull-out rotatable camera here. The overall camera quality is quite good looking at the smartwatch, and you can see that it has auto exposure option and sets the exposure according to the lighting. You can also use it to record videos, so you can click pictures and record videos using the camera. And overall the camera result looks quite good. It's a picture taken in the daylight. It also has this stock video inside it, and if you play it, then the speakers also look really good. About the cameras, I do not know why do the manufacturers claim such a high value. They have mentioned that it comes with 200 megapixels of camera, but I captured a picture and transferred it to my iPhone. And if I check the information, it shows it is captured by the DW100 Pro. The resolution is 480 x 576. The file size is only 168 kilobytes, and the camera information shown here is 0.3 megapixels. The camera can also be used for Face ID. So let me enter the passcode. Then I'll have to enroll my face. So it has now enrolled my face. Let's see if it can detect my face and unlock it. So it takes around 1 second to unlock and recognize your face, but you need to be a lot closer to the camera, and if it is at an arm distance from your face, then it probably might not recognize you. So now let's talk about this mysterious button. It is more than just a sensor. First of all, check out the speed of the fingerprint sensor. Yes, it is that much fast. And after that, it is not just a fingerprint sensor. First of all, you can tap once if you want to go to the menu or go back from it. Then you can double tap on it if you want to access the app history. And now the best part. Yes, you saw it right. It can also be used as a crown key, and you can use it for scrolling. After that, we get the action key right here. It can be used as a button, and you can also pull it out, and it's a SIM card tray right here. So here's the button inside it. So the SIM card will go in the upper hole. So it's a nice thing that they have taken the advantage of this space, and you can use it as a button as well as a SIM card tray. As mentioned on the website, it supports 2G, 3G and 4G networks, and the SIM card function only works in Europe and Asia. Using the SIM card, you can call directly from here, and yes, you can also receive calls directly on the SIM card. Then you can also send and receive messages. It uses QWERTY keyboard for sending messages. If we talk a bit about the hardware, I have the CPU Z application right here. So as mentioned here, it is using a 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage capacity. It is showing 24.21GB because the rest of the storage is taken by the operating system. There are two variants available, one with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and the other one with 2GB RAM and 16GB storage. About the 3GB of RAM, it hasn't impressed me much, and the smartwatch is quite quick to respond when opening the stock applications. But if you try to open the third-party applications, then it is a bit slower. As you can see here, it is taking around 5 to 10 seconds to open Instagram as I am opening it for the first time. The good thing is that it keeps the application open in the memory for some time, and if I open it again, it's going to open right away. And after that, it runs Android version 8.1 as mentioned here, and the security patch level is 5th November 2019, so it is running a quite old firmware version. But as far as I have checked, it is supporting almost all of the applications that you would need on this smartwatch. I've downloaded many applications: YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. It also supports Spotify, using which you can stream your favorite songs on the smartwatch. Talking about the connectivity options, we have Wi-Fi, then the mobile network, and you can also use hotspot and tethering on it, by which you can share your internet connection with other devices. And in the end, we also get the airplane mode. It also has Bluetooth inside it. It has two-way Bluetooth. You can use it to connect with wireless earphones and headphones. And not just that, you can go to the app market in the smartwatch, and from here you can download many applications, including the Bluetooth assistant, from where first you can use the download app QR code, and then you can connect using a bind QR code, using which you can connect with the HiSport Pro application. It is also linked in the description box. After connecting with the application, your smartwatch can receive Bluetooth notifications on it, and not just that, you can go to manage, and here we have the contact sync option, and by going here you can select all of your contacts and move them to your smartphone in just one click. We also get GPS inside it, and to take more advantage of it, you can download Google Maps, and I have it right here. So you can enter any location right here and follow the path easily while driving. If you take a look at the system, we have the notification center right here. Then from right corner you can access the control center. We have two modes of control center available here. From right to left you can access the menu, and from bottom to top we have the widgets page. You can also use different menu styles. We have many themes available here. Then we have different styles available here, and in the end you can also use a custom wallpaper at the back. To take advantage of the AMOLED display, we also get the always on display option inside it. We have three styles available for it. We have two pointer dial styles and one with digital clock. Although at night the screen of dial becomes really dim, as you can see here, it is quite hard for me to show it in the video. We also get many gestures inside it. We have the palm gesture to turn off the display. Then we also get the raise to wake gesture to turn on the display. And talking about the normal screen time, it can be a maximum of 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes of inactivity, the display is going to turn off. It also comes with a lot of built-in watch faces inside it. And if you swipe all the way to the right, you get the dial market here, which has many categories given here, and you can also use custom watch faces on it. For that you will have to download specific watch faces, and then you will see the edit button right here. So you can go to choose a picture, and here you can choose any of your picture, and it is going to set that picture on the home screen. I really don't like doing such stuff, so I'm going to clear it. Then we also get many sports related applications. First of all, we have the utility applications like timer, so you can set a timer right here. And the good thing is that when the timer ends, it actually starts to ring, which can easily let you know that the time has ended. Then we have the stopwatch. It has different interfaces available for it. You can also add as many laps as you want, and in the end it can also run in the background. Here we have the step counting application, which is the Pedometer tracker. It is going to keep a track of the steps you have walked for the day. We also get a lot of sport modes in the smartwatch. So let's do the pedometer test now. For that, I'm going to be going with the step counting application. The reason behind it is that I want to see if the smartwatch can be trusted to count the steps for the whole day or not. Before starting, the smartwatch is showing 28 steps and the iPhone is showing 477 steps. So I'm back after taking a walk around the house now. So let's go to the step counting application, and previously it was showing 28 steps for the day, and now it is showing 458 steps for the day, which means that it has counted 430 steps. And here is my iPhone. Previously it was showing 477 steps, and now it is showing 978 steps, meaning it has counted 501 steps. So there is a difference of around 70 steps, which totals to around 10 to 15% of the difference. And according to that, I don't think that I'm going to trust the smartwatch for the daily step counting. So the smartwatch also includes health monitors like heart rate and blood oxygen level checker. So first we're going to test it at rest, and then I'll do a little exercise, and then we'll see if it can give correct values when the BPM goes high or not. So as of now, the values are quite similar on both of the devices. So let's try it one more time. So this time there is a little difference between both of the devices. So now I will do a little exercise and I will see if it can show correct values or not. So I've done a little exercise. Let's try again now.
So as you can see here, this time the oximeter is showing 124 beats per minute, while the smartwatch is showing 85 beats per minute. So according to that, the smartwatch has failed my oximeter test and it cannot be trusted for the health measurements.
Then we also have the sleep detection in it, although I'm not really a fan of it. And as far as I've checked, it does not show accurate values, so I wouldn't trust it. And in the end, if you take a look at all of the applications, we also get calculator in it. And as far as I have checked, all of the functions are working absolutely fine. You can also add alarms directly in it. Here we have the calendar. And the good thing is that it also allows you to add events. We have the music application in which you can import many songs, and using the 4-pin charger you can also connect it with your Mac or PC and move files in it. Then you can also record sound directly on it. We also get the web browser here. Then we have contacts, and as I told you, you can move all of the contacts from your smartphone to the smartwatch using the HiSpot Pro application. And if you go to the NFC application, it supports non-encrypted ID cards with an input frequency of 13.56 Hz. Unfortunately, it cannot be used for NFC payments.
And as far as I've checked, the smartwatch can also be used as an NFC tag.
Then we also get the files application, using which you can access all of the images, videos, audios, as well as all of the Android folders in the smartwatch. So I also installed Google Voice Assistant in it, and it is working absolutely fine. Hi there, how are you doing?
I'm great. Thank you for asking.
So these are pretty much all of the applications. In the end, if we talk about the battery life, as advertised, it comes with a battery capacity of 800 mAh, and you can charge it using the 4-pin charger provided in the box, and you can use the same charger to connect it with the PC or Mac. So I've been working on this video for about 40 minutes now, and when I started, the battery was at 79%, and in about 40 minutes it has lost 14% of the battery, losing almost 1% of the battery every 3 minutes. It is not bad considering I had the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and the GPS turned on this whole time, and I continuously interacted with the smartwatch in these 40 minutes. And according to that, it is going to lose 15 to 20% of the battery in an hour, and if you continuously use it, it is going to give you around 3 to 4 hours of battery life. And with the normal usage, as far as I have tested it, it can give you a day of battery life. So guys, that's all from the DW100 Pro smartwatch. What do you think about it? In my opinion, it's a quite good watch. My favorite feature in it is the fingerprint sensor and the ability to use scroll gesture on it. Let me know about your favorite feature in it in the comment section below. To place an order, you can find the link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase the smartwatch. For the upcoming videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I will catch you in the next one.